Hello, I'm Rebecca Flatty. Let's make a quick mock-up for our artwork using Procreate and Unsplash. Head over to unsplash.com and type in picture frame. Pick one you like and that will fit the shape of whatever you want to mock up, either a square or a rectangle. Whilst it's possible to digitally clean up images like this that have something already in the frame, we're going to keep it simple and pick one with an empty white canvas. If you want a high-res image, then save the full-size image to downloads, but if it's just for sharing on social media, a quick screenshot will do. Open the screenshot or image in Procreate, go to Canvas, crop and resize. Tap Settings and change the dimensions to either a square, or if you've got a specific dimension in mind, enter that instead. Then you can resize and center it. Then tap Done and your canvas will be cropped. Now you can import the image that you want to mock up. Resize and adjust the image to fit the frame. You'll probably want to turn off snapping, and you might also want to use distort so that you can get the image to the same angle and aspect as the frame. Zoom right in here if you need to. So at this point it looks kind of okay, but it doesn't really look like it belongs in the photo just yet. The magic trick to achieve that is to change the blend mode on your artwork layer to multiply. This will allow all the shadows, reflections and ripples on the paper to be passed through, and you'll have a realistic looking mock-up. If you feel like your artwork looks too high res compared to the resolution of the rest of the photo, you can try adding the smallest amount possible of a Gaussian blur to soften it a bit. It's a really subtle difference, but it really can help. If the artwork you're placing has a coloured background, or if there's things in the photo overlapping the picture frame, you can use a layer mask on your artwork layer to hide the bits that are covering these and to clean up the edges. That's all from me this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this every week.